This is Ben Walsh, our contractor for today. He's going to show us how to put grab bars in a tile shower. Hi, Ben.
Hi, Jim. Hi, everybody. So in our past videos, we've attached these things a couple different ways. One just with the anchors and fasteners that came from the manufacturer, and then the second time with a series of toggle bolts in almost all the holes.
Today our project required 3 methods of fixation. The first is a regular screw into a wooden stud. The second is a metal hollow wall anchor into a hollow tile wall. And the third, the strongest fixation of all, was toggle bolts into a hollow tile wall. The company is the same company, and they've switched from plastic anchors to metal anchors.
Looks to me to be significantly better than the plastic.
Select the ideal position for the grab bar and try to center the holes over the center of the tile. Don't try to find a stud because this might compromise the position of the grab bar.
So that would feel like a stud. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead. Yeah. If there's a stud here, we certainly assume it's there as well. Putting a small hole through the bottom one just to confirm that we've still got wood behind this location. And that would be yes. Really probably do not need toggles with 2 of these into solid material behind the surface of the wall. Well, that hole is now too big. We're going to have to put a toggle in there.
Okay. Two hollows in.
Yes.
See that?
Oh, those metal hollow wall anchors are just a little bit tight, and I just don't want to risk chipping the tile, so I'm just going to enlarge the hole just a little bit. Is a little bit bigger than we need. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this Lexel in there before we put the fastener in. Okay, this time I'm going to try to make sure I put that thing through vertically because I know there's a stud here and it didn't open up last time, so I just think it has to be vertical. That's it. Okay.
See that again.
I'm just going to put screws straight through these holes into the wood that's back there. And those I would have done myself a favor to put in the hole before I put the bar in place with the toggle. But we're just going to drive these in. And we have 2 short screws for the hollow wall anchors, 2 long screws that are going into the wood, and then the toggle bolts are already in place. So it's 2 of each of 3 different kinds on this one.
Awesome.
It turns out. Sure. Oh, this is into a hollow wall anchor.
This is the longer screw into the stud.
Yep. That feels very solid.
A little bit of Lexol to seal around the periphery. Seal the snap that cap on.
Try not to get more goop on it than necessary.
All right. Awesome. So what do you think, Ben?
Pretty good.
Happy?
I think that'll work.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
You bet.
I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up and press the bell next to the subscribe button to get my future videos. Thanks for watching.